Have you ever run into a type of marketing that's so effective it makes your mind reel? We're talking about neuromarketing. Neuromarketing has more recently become a very revolutionary approach to marketing products and services, and that's because it taps into the power of the human brain, the body's most complex organ. Neuromarketing helps brands better understand their own image based on how well it connects with their consumers' brains and what kind of responses it triggers from them on an emotional level. What is neuromarketing exactly? Neuromarketing looks at how a person's brain responds to advertising and branding. It monitors things like their brain activity, their eye movement, and their skin response. Neuromarketing offers a number of benefits, including honest feedback, since consumers can't really fake their brain activity, highly detailed insights, and cost effectiveness compared to other types of market research. Plenty of big name brands have already utilized neuromarketing. Coca-Cola has always used a lot of red in their branding because of the feelings that it evokes in their consumers. Frito-Lay found out that their shoppers respond better to matte packaging as opposed to shiny packaging, so they redid their branding. And the National Cancer Institute showed 3 different ads for their telephone hotlines to participants and eventually settled on the ad that triggered the most brain activity in a specific region, since it ultimately led to more phone calls. In reality, thanks to neuromarketing, the most effective buy button is the one that we have in our minds. There are all sorts of techniques that you can start to use to apply neuromarketing to your own brand. You can get a test group of people to use eye tracking devices to figure out what really captures their attention. You can use sensors to detect even the most minute changes in facial expressions, things that even they don't realize they're doing. You can also monitor participants' pupils to see if they get bigger or smaller when they're looking at something specific. And the significance here is that our pupils dilate when we're looking at something that we like. But what if you don't have the budget or the technology to run all of these little science experiments? Here are a few more ways that you can still get started with neuromarketing. Number 1, leverage the aesthetic usability effect, which basically says that people respond better to things that they enjoy looking at. Number 2, appeal to people's inner child. Evoking a sense of nostalgia can be really powerful. Number 3, harness the power of association. Number 4, A/B test everything. This is going to help you determine what's working and what's not. Number 5, test your ad copy with audiences of different ages. Number 6, use colors that trigger feelings of safety and happiness and trust, like yellow, blue, and green. Number 7, use images that evoke curiosity or mystery. And number 8, test the emotional nature of things like your landing pages, which is super easy when you use a software like EngageBay. The takeaway: neuromarketing can be incredibly effective when used in moderation and as part of a more holistic approach to your marketing research and strategy. EngageBay makes it so easy to come up with intuitive, user-friendly designs and to split test them so you can really figure out what your audience loves. Sign up for free today and let us know what you think.